Who do you think's hotter? Me or her? In the comment box?
Pick me. Cause look.
Okay, my name is Rainy. Hers is Maddie.
Yeah. Maddi.
This account is hers, but my
Vote
account
me,
has
because I'm awesome.
It's not for awesome or not. It's for who's prettier. Me.
That's what I really look like. Eat it. Bitches. I'll do freaky stuff.
So, also, mine I'm do my contest because I have no one in my contest.
Yeah, she's Rainy Grail. I'm Maddi, because I'm awesome.
Go to her page thingy and then it'll say
subscribe.
So, who's hotter? Me or her? Me.
Dude, subscribe to Shane Dawson. He's like the best. He's my home dog. I love him. And Des and Nate. They're pimp, so.
Subscribe to me.
Subscribe to me. Both of us. Because we're...
Hers,
dude, Rick, get out of here, you little hobo.
Hers is xMusicPrinsessx. Mine's Rainy Girl.
Shane Dawson Brewer.